Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb for On Gardening. One of the plants that I think is really kind of a novelty and a very attractive little plant, actually gets to be a nice plant for baskets, using hanging baskets or just in containers, is the rabbit foot fern. As you can see, it got its name because the little roots that come over the side look like little rabbit paws. Isn't that attractive? It's cute. It's a novelty. It's a plant that many people want to have, especially in partial shade. And it's a pretty tough plant. I've had some that I grew for probably 30 years, and I didn't do much to them. Occasionally, I'd throw a little protective cover over them during the below freezing type temperatures, but most of the time I just give them a little bit of water soluble, put them in an area where they were happy, which means partial shade. It's one of those plants that will grow and doesn't die out very easy. So mark this down for one of your plants that you can grow and you can't hardly kill. The rabbit's foot fern is an easy plant to have, easy to grow, and simply one you're going to have good results with. For On Gardening, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb.